Tall and skinny. Me no know nothing about having bottom. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So today guys, we're doing a get ready with me, let's chit chat. So we'll be just talking about some everyday topics as well as I'll be doing my makeup. Now, you see, because I want the video to post, I don't want to wreck my face, I'll be doing a natural look while we talk about some topics, right? But before we get into that though guys, if you are new here or a returning viewer and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, I hope by the end of this video you'll want to do so and you'll come along and join the Natural Little family, right? Right? Alright. So let's get into it guys. So guys, as I said, I'm no makeup artist, but yeah. So we're going to start off with a little, first I'm going to talk about some social insecurities that I have or had. So I'm going to start with my eyebrows. Now don't mind all my pencil little, it's a clean color, dark brown. That's what I use on my eyebrows. So yeah. So guys, I don't know, for those who don't know me personally and subscribers that I have, I don't think I've ever spoken about this on my channel, but I'm actually 6 feet tall. Yeah. It's kind of harder than me think to actually talk to me and do my makeup. May I try? So I'm actually 6 feet tall, and most of my life growing up, I've always been the tall one in the group. And that brought about some insecurities. Because when you go out, you're wondering if what people saying about the tall girl, you know. A lot of people wonder about those things. And it somewhat made me uncomfortable in social environments. It kind of did make me uncomfortable in social environments and things, right? So yeah, so being the taller one in the group, I think these are considered social insecurities because, you know, society has this expected body image, height and body weight and stuff. And in high school I was very skinny. So I was very tall and very skinny, and I guess, so yeah, that would have kind of affect my confidence in some way. I never really spoke about it, but I guess it kind of did. And my weight. So that kind of led to other things, you know. And even to talk about it guys, if you even look at it, if you are to go on my social media, majority of my male friends are short. The other day a guy asked me if it is that I like short guys. And I say I like short guys, but I guess the thing with my short male friends are that they have big personalities, right? Very big personalities. So they're short with big personalities, and I like guys with big personalities, I guess. That's how they became my friends, right? So, but then I think it, alright, so I'm going to use this. Alright guys, this is not a makeup tutorial, so you know, I'm just going to talk and use the things there, but if I show you, because I remember some of my show you, but it not really so yeah, so that brought about some social insecurities, as I said. But in terms of my height now, I'm not really bothered about it. It's either you love me, Jesus. I think I'm going to use the concealer. So with my height now, is either you love me or you don't, because I really don't care. Yeah, I have grown over the years. So I have grown over the years to accept my height. Yeah, so it's either you like it or you don't like it. But I'm no longer going to shrink myself for your approval because you don't like my height. Yeah. But in terms of weight, the thing is, I'm not going to get this story. I don't even know if this is in any way connected to what's happening in my life now, but I remember I started YouTube 4 months ago, and I remember when a friend of mine, we both started YouTube the same time. I think this music is a little loud. Let me turn it down. Yeah. So I started YouTube 4 months ago, and a friend of mine also started YouTube the same time. When we started YouTube, I did a video for her channel, and I remember when I did that video and the video premiered, one of my female friends overseas called me and she was like, well, I'm gonna use Omaria because Omar named down the on my channel already. And like she called me and she said, Omar saw a video of you on XY's channel and asking me about your belly, why your belly so big. So now guys, work from home started in March. I have been home working in my room, and honestly I just there again weight. Like I never even noticed that it was getting that bad. But I was so content with my weight and everything. When he called me, I don't even know if I thought much of it. I just laughed it off because I even spoke to him after the girl called me, messaged me. And I just laughed it off because I didn't really think much of it, you know, to be honest. And he just said to me, you know, make sure by the next XXY videos you lose some weight, man. And I say, yeah, man, and thing. Not thinking much of it. But it just goes to show how society views persons, how people view you for your weight, how people analyze your body, which is kind of, when I see me, I look that side every meet my nephews there and them I listen to my story. And they want to come in the video, but me not let them in the video and something. So anytime I look that way, then I look on. Yeah. So it just goes to show you how it is that there is a perception of how you are supposed to look in society. How may I do so far? There is a perception of how you're supposed to look in society. So that would have been May. In May, yeah. But about July. Alright, so yeah. In July I'm going to use my concealer. In July I joined the gym. I don't know if this was like internalizing everything that happened or what. Maybe not, because I didn't think much of it, but when I thought about doing this video, it came to my mind. When I thought about doing this video, it came to my mind and I wondered, but you know, I don't think it was that. But I realized that sometime after that I actually gained 20 pounds. I actually realized after that I gained 20 pounds in quarantine, right guys? Like all of 20 pounds. Yeah, so I don't think at the time when he saw me in March I had actually gained, I was that far in my weight. But yeah, I don't think I'm using this one. So I'll be using my Fit Me in 375. So the thing with my body is that when I gain weight, I gain weight in my face first, then my arms, then from my arms, my belly and my sides, what we call love angles. Now, me not like love angles, so when I started to see that now, that's where insecurities come in, and I decided, you know, it's time for me to do something about that. So I signed up for the gym. Well, we kind of was a test run business still. So I didn't sign up for every day at the gym. I signed up for weekends, and then during the week I exercise on a hill. I think the hill works out based on my phone to 4 kilometers. So I then exercise on the hill in the evenings. I exercise on the hill in the evenings to build my endurance, because guys, the first time I got gym I popped down your fat. I could not manage that. The session is supposed to be an hour and I lasted 15 minutes. And like one of the instructors cussed me off because he's like, you came here and you wasted your money. So I'm doing that and working out. So why did I decide to go to the gym? No, other than the fact, well, I found out I was 20 pounds heavy when I went to do my assessment, but also because as a female, being overweight comes with complications, right? It affects our body. So for health reasons, I decided I needed to make some changes in my life. So between gym and going on the hill 3 times a week, I started to see changes, right? And you know, I started to see changes, and you know, Jamaica have a saying, was say prevention better than cure. So I decided, you know, I remember when my weight was a lot less, my doctor told me I was overweight, and I was currently 20 something pounds over that weight that the doctor told me I was overweight. So I needed to fix that, right? Definitely needed to fix that. Jamaican people say prevention better than cure, and I was definitely going to prevent any serious health issues due to my choice in foods. And you know, my weight was making me very insecure, because me as a girl will love put on my swimsuit and me love go beach and me like, don't go no. And I realized that I could no longer feel comfortable in my 2-piece. I have only for 2-piece. So what am I gonna do with them? Buy a new swimsuit? Or try to fit back into those swimsuits? So I decided to fit back into those swimsuits, right? That was my goal, to get back into those swimsuits. So, story. I'm going to put a darker gold in the crease. So story. Well, it don't look darker, but it works. When I started gym, the instructor they gave me first day asked me one light brush out eyeshadow with my finger. The instructor they assigned me to asked me what were my goals. So when he asked me what were my goals, I said I wanted to tone my body. I wanted to tone my body. That's my thighs. And I also wanted to remove belly fat and angles, love angles. The tie them run on my back. I'm try to figure out which one of them two color here match. As me say, don't judge me. So I told him that I wanted to lose belly fat and tone my thighs. People, I'm gonna look down at the mirror. I'm gonna see me I see too well another one day. But people, the man asked me if me no want bottom too, because everybody that comes to the gym, well, every female that comes to the gym, the first thing they want to work on is ass. No. Remember me telling already, say, from high school, me skinny. Tall and skinny. Me no know nothing about having bottom. So, whether or not I was getting it at the gym, was not my concern, because I didn't have it to begin with. So it wasn't on my list of things to gain. Which goes back to the same thing about people and body image. And I think the color there show, I really can't bother with the two-tone something right now. I'm going to say a natural look me I do, so I'm going to just do all of my eye in another color here, like me normally do, and stop trying fancy up with the camera. So yeah, I wasn't concerned with society's building ass. I just know what I wanted for myself, which was to lose those love angles. I look too bad. Which is what I wanted, was to lose my love handles and to get a flatter tummy. They already know it's impossible for me to have that, so I just want to get that back. That is my goals, right? And females in life, you have to remember, guys, wait, before I get into that, guys, if my eyebrows don't match, remember your eyebrows are sisters, not twins. So in life, guys, you have to remember that comparison is the theft of life. I am not going to spend my money in the gym forever working on an ass when I've never had one in my life. Well, I have, but you don't get what I say. It makes no sense, right? It don't make no sense. So, I was working on realistic goals. or what. I'm not saying that it's impossible, because I've seen slimmer girls going to the gym and come out with an ass. But I'm not going to sit down and compare myself and say, why? When Jane got gym, she come out and she round like English pound. No, I'm not going to do that. So I just decided to find a happy weight, and that's what I want to get to. That's my goal, and that's what I'm going to get. That's my happy weight, and that's what I'm going to work towards. So I had to change. Alright, so I'm going to be using this, which is Maybelline's Instant Age Rewinding. Age Rewind something. Concealer, it's in deep bronze. So with the gym life came changes to my diet as well, which I have since appreciated, because I do see how it has made my life better, my healthy choices. So I'm eating less carbs, so that's no rice, no flour, no processed less processed foods, and I can see where that is helping. So I'm really doing all of this for me instead of doing it. Oh, Jesus. I don't even want to see what going down here. So, but anyways, really doing this for me, not for anybody else. And that's the thing about life. Acceptance of yourself makes you a lot happier, makes things a lot easier for you. Right, guys? Would you believe me? We can laugh so. I always a smile in my pictures. Never used to let me smile. Y'all believe that? If I'm going to see, I'm probably put one there if I can find a decent one to show you, because throughout high school I hardly smiled in photos. Hardly smiled in photos. No, check my thumbnails, check my videos, check my Instagram. I have the brightest, smile in all my photos, even group photos. The brightest smile ever. You'd never believe I'm the same girl. Would you believe that? I did go buy this something. I don't even know if it's the right shade. It's a Fit Me Loose powder. And if you don't see me I use it wrong, you just tell me. But don't tell you already say it's no pro. And this is just something for me to do while I chit chat with you. Right, guys? So I also wanted to find out, guys, how have you guys been doing in the pandemic? How has the pandemic been treating you? How are you guys coping? Like me, I have anxiety. Me, I have a serious case of anxiety. See me just want to highlight under my eyes too. Me, I have a serious case of anxiety. I don't like the unknown. Like So to me, I don't know other something they use. Any of my friend them know where for. I want to take it from me, can get it. You put on right? Well. Well, it look like you put on right because, as I said, guys, doing a natural look. So why is it that this pandemic is giving me anxiety, you might wonder? I'm just gonna add a little on my Fit Me powder. I feel like a brownish and so. Why is it giving me anxiety? No, I don't use blush on those things. So now I'm going to put on none of that. I just add the powder. Which part I feel like I look shiny and so. Why is it there? So if you guys know me, I am a big planner. I love organizing my life. I like when things are going how it is supposed to go or how I want it to go. In every aspect of my life. I'm not controlling, I just like when things in order. I like when things are flow. And Rona, she just come take over and I don't really know what's going on in her life. Well, this look natural, right guys? I don't really know what's going on in her life. And this, the unsurety of that all is what is making me nervous. I have this color, it's called Nutmeg in Mary Kay. I'm gonna put it on my lips. Should I put like my stuff on it first? Yeah, so the anxiety. Sorry. Yeah, so I'm a big planner and I like when things are organized. And for 2020, guys, if you would believe it, I had planned on traveling 3 times this year. I had planned on traveling 3 times. I think me like that. I say I go for a natural look, so I think me like that. 3 times this year, of which none happened. I even in this pandemic tried again or considered again to leave in August. That never happened either. But that didn't happen either. And guys, in a long while, my lip too shine? I don't think so. I think it's cute. Yeah, that didn't happen. And also in, I think since my 20th birthday, this is like the first year like I don't have no idea what I'm doing, and my birthday is in less than 2 weeks. So that's giving me anxiety. The unsurety of it all is really not settling well with me. I don't know how. You guys can tell me how you guys have been coping in the pandemic. But I not do so well. I think I forget something. I don't know if I can do it on the video, but I go try. Maybe I try it in the camera. Alright, I'm gonna do it off camera and come back. So the liner didn't come out as I thought, but I tried. I did try. Yeah, so look at mascara. Yeah, so guys, I want you guys to tell me in the comment section how you have been coping in the pandemic, what you have been doing differently. If you are a planner like me, you like when things organized and so. You must have wonder what do me and the brush. If you don't like when things organized, and so how have you been dealing with all of that? Share your coping mechanisms in the comment section. We can see if it can help somebody else. And also let me know what you think about my nice little natural look. Or let's take my look handsome. Yes guys, so if you want me to do another chit chat like this, you can comment below what kind of topic you want to talk about, and we can definitely do that in another video. But I hope you like my little chit chat section, and I also hope you also liked my natural look. Get ready with me to go nowhere. So yes guys, that's it for the video for today. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment below. Let me know what you'd like to see on the next chit chat like this. And if you want me to try to get a little bit more with the look, you know, natural look, me say. I'm not a makeup artist, but if you want me to try something else, I'll try, and we'll talk about it while I do it, and then you can rate me after and let me know what you think about it. And of course guys, if you're here and you're not at the end of the video and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do so and join the Naturally Told family. You see that little head there peep up down there, so?
Hi. Hello.
Okay, Jay, no. Yes, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the Naturally Told family guys. And until next time, bye.